今天我想有一段歷代願望嘅説話，去作為我哋聖餐禮嘅開始。
So before we start, there's a small phrase from Desire of Ages I'd like to share with you all.
我哋經常都好似感覺上進行呢個聖餐禮嘅時候，我哋諗起耶穌基督死。當我哋聽到死亡嘅時候，我哋硬感覺好似好悲傷嘅樣。
A lot of times that when we hear about or listen to the history about the death of Christ, it seems like a very sad story.
但係歷代願望咁樣提醒我哋，聖餐禮唔可成為一個悲傷嘅禮節。
In Desire of Ages, it reminded us that this communion service is not a service that reminds us about sadness.
因為呢個並唔係佢宗旨嚟嘅。
Because this is not the end.
佢哋亦都唔要回憶自己同弟兄之間嘅意見不和。
This is not to remind that the quarreling between the brothers.
因為我哋喺謙卑禮，我哋已經預備，我哋將呢一切嘅嫌隙已經解決咗。
Because before this communion service, when we first washing ceremony, that we have already been disclosed of this quarreling. We are actually refreshed ourselves.
喺呢一刻，我哋係為與基督相交、聯合喺埋一齊。
And at this time, we are here to commute with God.
佢亦都咁樣提醒，聖餐禮係指向耶穌基督第二次嘅降臨。
And Miss Ellen White also reminded us that this communion service pointed toward the second coming of the Christ.
我哋留意聽呢個經文，
We listen to this memory text verse.
我哋聖餐禮一定會讀㗎啦。
And we always read it during this communion service.
你們每逢吃這餅、喝這杯，是表明主的死。
And it is also reminded in 1 Corinthians 11:26, it says here, for whenever you eat this bread and drink this cup,
係表明主嘅死，
you proclaim the Lord's death until he
但佢
comes.
未完結，直到他來。
And it doesn't end until the second coming of Jesus Christ.
今天讓我哋領受呢個禮節嘅時候，唔單止係紀念耶穌基督為我哋犧牲，亦都讓我哋帶住盼望迎接耶穌基督再次嘅復臨。
As we come together here to celebrate this time, this communion service together, don't forget that we are waiting for the second coming of Jesus Christ.我呢度仲讀嘅係哥林多前書嘅11章嘅23至25節。我呢度講到，我當日傳給你的，原是主領受的，就是主耶穌被賣的那一夜，拿起餅來，祝謝了，就擘開說：這是我的身體，為了你們捨的，你們應當如此行，為的是紀念我。
For I received from the Lord what I also passed on to you. The Lord Jesus, on the night he was betrayed, took bread, and when he had given thanks, he broke it and said, "This is my body, which is for you. Do this in remembrance of me."
讓我哋低頭為餅祝福，盡可方便嘅，盡可能嘅係跪下。